Having us host your icons is the best and easiest way to use icons in your web projects. But if you just need to use a singular icon, you can do that by downloading it as an SVG or PNG. To start, pick the icon you'd like to download. Once the icon detail module has opened up, go to the top right corner and click the Download button. It's important to note that if you've used our styling preview tools before downloading your icon, only the color or size of your icon will be included in the download. If you'd like to make additional styling changes to your icon, you'll have to do that on your own. Whether you're using a web project or desktop application, adding your downloaded icon file is super easy. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be using Figma. Open the downloaded SVG into your application and voila! You can easily customize your downloaded SVG icon from Font Awesome. To download your icon as a PNG, open the Icon Detail module and select the Download as PNG button in the top right. And you're all set. You can easily use the downloaded PNG in any of your web or desktop projects. See, that was super easy, and now it's your turn to go make something awesome.